Modern executives don't have a communication problem. They have a noise problem. A client emails you. 30 seconds later, boom, they text you on LinkedIn, then on WhatsApp, and Slack notifications, internal emails, team messages, and suddenly your entire day becomes reacting. That's why we built Twintool. Twintool is your company's AI communication layer, a second brain for executives and teams. It centralizes communication across Gmail, Outlook, Slack, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and more. Your team can focus on decisions instead of inboxes. Let me show you. A client reaches out across 3 different platforms. Twintool automatically groups the conversations, removes the noise, summarizes the context, and drafts the replies in your tone. One interface, 0 chaos. Your executives stay focused. And because modern companies operate globally, Twintool drafts responses in multiple languages instantly, allowing teams to move faster across international operations. The result? Less operational noise, faster communication, more focused executives. Twintool, because your best employees shouldn't spend their day replying to messages.